Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Makati. Umakati is recently going through a lot, and I think this is a realization. That's why she ended up saying, "As in, let me go and share my story publicly," because uzi into ebegenzeka from Dala. But Femila Lumfana, hey guys, I wonder which guy is this one. But yeah, Ifemila Lumfana below busy in Nisha saying if ever she goes out publicly make sure ukuthi she goes down. And no one has a right to put a hand on someone. No one has a right to put a hand on someone. Whether umfazi ushaya indoda or indoda ushaya umfazi. Akekho umuntu one-right yokubeka umuntu isandla. We need to stop GBV, guys. Where's yena? This lady, lo ampostelana, looked at her bamshaya. Imagine. And mawubukela omunye umfazi bamshaya like yini into oyifulayo awuthuke ukuthi one day this might happen to your child whereas bambulale nokumbulala, like it's so scary. But then ugirl said she'll make a one woman standing album, so album yakhona izophuma and everything under there has a lot of secrets. And because she loves music, Ati, you can all say a death wish to her. And I think guys, umlomo yadala. So this is a dead wish to her. I just want to before I keep album, God forbid, guys. And everything under this video is allegedly. And yes, guys, so see country because the only person Umakadza Kewapumana live was Master KG. And Master KG has power. So I sing a fight governor, Mr. KG, guys. I sing I'm fighting, but I wonder who's that guy. As an imagine guys. Hi, isona akanaso. And those who say abafazi usually provoke men, that's why amadoda agcina bashaya. Guys, awuna-right yokubulala umfazi, awuna-right yokushaya umfazi, awuna-right nje. Just walk away if ever you see you no longer need it. No one deserves to be beaten, especially like this. Even if our parents beat us, but abashayi ukuthi baze basikhipha ingozi. So wena une-right engakanani ukuthi ungahamba uyishaye umntana abantu. And umakhathi before going out ayoposta lezi zinto lezi bekumele ahambe ayovola i-case and then abe nento ezombheka up. Even if abantu bakule family leyo ba-big and they have power, but at least have something to back you up. Iba nephepha elishoyo ukuthi you went to a police station and you got this guy arrested but he was not arrested. And ukulimazile fatally even have proof hambile wayenza i-J88 and really like yonke into ihlangene. But let us just hope abe right, guys. What are your thoughts on this?